This is the cut on my thumb. Realised after I'd filmed the video that there was no introduction, so here it is. You're about to see this cut under a microscope before and after it's been scrubbed. I did it yesterday on a tape measure while doing some drainage at home without any gloves on. I'd washed my hands but I hadn't scrubbed them, so I was interested to see what it looked like under the microscope before and after it was clean, so I filmed it and realised I didn't do any kind of introduction. So enjoy the upcoming video. If you're squeamish, I'd maybe consider turning it off. Enjoy, guys. This is a cut I have on my thumb. Yes, I have washed my hands several times. This is just the joys of getting dirty. This is the hand. The cut in question. I'm going to give you a super close up. Here we go, here we go, here we go. You all ready for this? Oh wait, I can pop the phone down there. There's the cut. The cut itself actually looks reasonably clean. The outside edge looks slightly necrotic. Some little bits. I'm not worried about infection. It is quite sore to the touch. Not worried about infection yet. I'm going to go scrub this to within an inch of its life, and then we'll see how it looks afterwards. This is an old toothbrush, my old kid's toothbrush. That's not the most pleasant activity. This is the after. She's just been scrubbed. So it had been cleaned before, but it hadn't been scrubbed. Oh, it's quite hard to control this thing. Oh, there we go. So you still see the necrotic. Actually, I would say it looks worse now. You can see the individual skin cells there. I would say it looks worse after I've cleaned it to the eye. This is extremely hard to do. You can see it moving when I move my thumb as well, which is lovely. Still see the necrotic cells around the outside starting to... Oh my god, this is so hard to do. It's so very, very hard to be able to follow this. And this is as far out as it zooms, so I'm doing my best here. Please bear with me. So I can only imagine that's water after I've just scrubbed it with water and washing up liquid. But this is what a cut looks like up close, guys, in case you ever wondered. Oh my god. Why is this so hard to do, man? Poxy fucking thing. I'm just gonna have to be There we go. That's the main bit of it. That's the best I can do. Because if I try moving... Alright, I'm moving the wrong way as well. There we go. I'm moving left and right. It's not, it's up and down. There we go. What do you think, guys? Grim or not grim? Pretty grim. It looks kind of cleaner than it did, but still pretty grim. Sweet. Well, there we go. Pretty interesting. It would appear that scrubbing it definitely opened it. It looks wider on the after. Definitely looks cleaner within and around. Got rid of a lot of the fibrous debris that was in there. It looked more raw within. There was more exposed skin cells and such, but I think that is a positive step towards the healing process and almost guaranteed less risk of infection now. So let me know if you enjoyed that or if you wish you hadn't fucking stumbled on it. Either way, pretty cool. Tape measure cut on my thumb.